the difference between the correlation and the difference between the correlation and the kind of causality. Okay, so if let me just write it down for you. If you say that A causes B, A cause B, which means that B happened because A happened. That is the causality relationship. So you have you will see that the keyword, the cause, the keyword of maybe because A happened, so B happened, something like that. It will indicate that it's a causality relationship, right? And you might see the just correlation. So it will be just connected with each other, not necessarily just A causes B or B causes A. We don't know. We just see that there is correlation between A and B. So that is another way to express this. This two is totally different. So what quizzes can CFA give you? Let me just give you a really simple example. So at the data collecting or data processing stage, you might get the correlation rather than the causality. Okay, so this is mostly likely during this data collection or data pre-processing rather than just the regression stage. So this is data stage, and this is more likely during the regression stage. Let me just add a stage, indicate this just two different stages here. The regression stage, which means that you do have a very specific relationship. For example, y equals to ax plus b at this regression stage. This regression function gives you a really clear idea of what causes the other, which means that is the dependent variable was caused by independent variable, right? So y is the dependent variable and x is the independent variable. So it's clearly x cause y, okay? But at the data stage, so we just got all this data, and you got the scatter plot here, and you will see that A or B is connected, but there is no very clear indication of who causes who. Okay, you can't say that A causes B or B causes A. You just know that when maybe A is high, B is also high. A is low, the B is also low, or A is low, B is high, A is high, B is low. You can just say that there is the correlation between these two variables, but you can't possibly say that one is the causes of another, the other is the results of the other. Okay, so that's the really I think it's really important. So I just point it out for you. You might get you might not get exactly the same questions during the exam, but it can be hidden in a very complex issue in order to trick you. Okay, so do have that in mind.